Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CatCam Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also press bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you. Today we are going to design pencil. Okay, let's start. For that, go to sketch and select the XY plane and go to hexagon option and click it. Give the rotation angle 180 and lock it, and hexagon value 10 mm, and click on OK, and go to finish sketch. For finish sketch, control plus Q, and also we have to add one circle, the diameter of 2. This is for a needle diameter, and finish sketch and extrude it. This is the top portion of pencil. I give 40 mm, and a small hole is there. This also we have to extrude and subtract it. We got a small hole, and hide it. For hide the model, control plus K. Opposite side I draw up to 200 mm. Click on OK, and go to sketch and draw the circle up to that flat area, and go to finish sketch and go to extrude and extrude that circle. Change direction and give the value. In the dropped, I'm going to give a 15 degree, one five, drag it up to which size you want. Okay, opposite side also we have to extend a little bit. Go to offset region and select face, drag. Here we got extrude, and hexagon also we have to extend to get angle. Yes, click on OK, and go to intersect, select it and click on OK. We got the angle. Then go to extrude and click and give the angle 15 degree. Yes, we got the save what we accepted. Then click the small diameter and make a hole. Yeah, we got the hole, and This is the opposite portion. Then we have to join. For that, extrude the hexagon portion up to that taper end. And click unite. Unite. It become a solid as a one object. And give the small hole for the needle. Okay, we got pencil safe. Then what I will do is I change the colors to looks good. Before that, I give a angle to the corner. I give a 0.5 radius. Okay. And I change this one. And select the color and click on OK. And this is also we have to change the color to looks good. Okay, to change the color, Control plus L and go to colors and select the which you want. Select and click on OK. Color changed. And this is also you have to change. I'm going to give block color. Before that, I give a radius of 0.5. Okay. Then change the color, click on OK. Okay, we almost complete our sketch. Make a needle. We have to match the angle. For that, I go to chamfer option and select distance and angle. I'm going to change angle 15 degree. It will match to other end. Extra portion, straight portion is there. We have to make taper. For that, I am going to measure that area. The tectile force N going to reduce the end of the needle. Now we can get matched angle. Change it block. Okay. Okay, it looks good. And here I give a radius and I make it as a eraser portion. I give a radius and click on OK. Okay, select this portion and change the color as white. I give a white color. Okay. Add the UCS and also curve. To hide the object, Control plus K. Thank you guys.